Hello everyone, Sam is here from myforexmagicweb.com, making this small video as a weekly recap. So let's get started. These are this one. Okay, I'm gonna show you the trades taken and why. All right, so let's get started. Let me go back here. Yep, this is the chart I made on the November 8th, right? And that was Friday, so just before the weekend and last week. And I wrote here, this will send GAE up, and all these Aussie pair where Aussies on the left hand side and AC, AU and AJ down. So what happened after this chart to this chart is this is what happened. All right, so it went down big time. So these things should happen, right? All right, so let's go take a look. Really, GA went up or not? Let's go take a look. This is my EA long. It went up, and I had good entry here. It went long, right? I forgot to pip the amount of pippage here. Then the other one, I said GA is gonna go long, right? So GA entry went up, gave me a beautiful entry, 110 pip to the upside. And I said AJ and AU gonna go down, right? So AJ down, right? And this is one of those pound trade in between, right? So GC pound cat, right? It went up, but AU, where's the A? Okay, AU Aussie USD down, right? So I said GAE gonna go up, so I took long, and AJ and USD gonna go down. I made the chart Aussie dollar on 8th November, and these trades on 13th. So it was already pre-planned way ahead of time, right? Then the game changes. Then comes this chart in play. Yen index was making beautiful setup here, and it was about to drop. And I said, okay, this will send all yen pairs down. All means all, because yen is always in every single pair is on the right hand side. So they're all gonna go down if yen is gonna get a stroke, right? Because yen is on the right hand side. So what happened? Let's go and take a look one by one. All yen pairs. When they're gonna go down, I'm gonna take the trades, right? And this is on the 7th, remember? Okay. All right. So what happened? On the 13th, I made this chart. Just that this is what happened, and it went down actually. See this? Okay. But where my trades are? Okay. Here, pound yen, short, gone. Remember, all yen pair down. On 13th, USD yen, short entry here. All my entries are alive right here. You can see sell, and this is the sell order. You see this line, and then my SL moved to break even plus, right? Safe trade. Euro yen, beautiful 20-minute chart down. CAD yen, beautiful short down. This is my order. This is SL move. You can see it here. The yellow sign says entry. That's where my entry is. By the book entry. I'm not taking the trades randomly. Just open a trade with blindly. No, I have to have a setup, and my setup is this short setup. This indicator is all the way up. Blue candle going into the wave and coming out with the red candle. This yellow line has to be below the black line. So all of that, those conditions. Here again, same thing, same kind of setup. This, what is it? USD yen, sell. Was sell here, sell here. So many entries this system gives you. Aussie yen, again, sell. Right? What else? Okay, so this is one of those news. I made an entry here thinking that it's going to go down, and then the news came out, and this is what the news did. 200 pip. This is a monster pound newsy. It's a big monster. Then again on the 14th, there was all the 13th, right? And then 14th comes this Aussie dollar again start to move to the downside, and pound Aussie and euro Aussie started to go up. This is my entry here, all the way to the upside, 130 pip. And this is also euro Aussie. This is not too big of a trade, but yes, something, right? So beautiful long entry here, here. Look at that, how many entries, and pure entries, and after that your SL never hit. Not here, not here, not here, not here. Okay, so this is how. Let me see if I have anything. No, So this is how it is. All these trades that I took based on the Aussie index analysis and the yen index analysis, and with the help of Magic IB system, we take precise entries where you just cannot go negative. Simple as that. Okay, sometimes, yeah, it's not that my SL didn't hit, maybe 5 or 6 SL hit, yes, but my SL on the 7-minute chart is if I open a trade here and put this thing here is not more than 13 to 15 pip. That's it. So once in a while, if it hit, okay, you lose 15 pip, but that's it, right? You can see here all this time we had no entry except this one, but no, I'm not gonna take that. So here no entry, but the first entry here good, second entry good, third good, fourth, similarly every single thing. Look at that. This entry, okay, this entry, if it goes up, you move to break even, it takes you out, no hard feeling, no loss, right? Then your SL never hit. Here your SL never hit. Here this is a beautiful entry, SL never hit. Here the entry never hit, right? All of these entry, right after the entry you go positive. This is the beauty of this system. Okay, so this is just wanted to show you guys, and if you're interested, go on my website myforexmagicweb.com and subscribe. Today is Friday night, and then you have Saturday, Sundays, get the system, set up the chart, and get going from Monday. All right, so I wish you all the best of out of this life and hereafter, and the best of the best is the weekend. Okay, so go out there, enjoy, do barbecue, whatever, have fun, and then come back Monday trading. All right, so bye for now and have a wonderful weekend.